Let's perform a quick fingerprint sensor speed test on OnePlus 15. On this device, of course, we have the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which means that the sensor should be fast, it should be responsive, and we shouldn't have any issues with unlocking our phone, and it should be pretty much immediate. So first we're gonna start with the lock screen. I'm gonna use my thumb, which I just scanned, in order to unlock the phone. And as you can see, it is incredibly fast. It recognizes the finger pretty much immediately. We don't have to hold our finger on the sensor. We can just simply tap on the sensor and it works just fine. It is just that good. It is really fast. And in addition to that, of course, I'm gonna check the sensor, how it works when the screen is off. Once we turn off the screen, as you can see, we still have this sensor for a quick second. It still displays for a short amount of time, so you can still tap on it. And yeah, as you can see, you can just tap as well. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wait a couple of seconds to let the sensor completely disappear, and then we're gonna see if the sensor is just as fast. So now, as you can see, the sensor is gone, and if I try to tap it, okay, it still works. So it doesn't really matter if the phone is locked or not. I mean, if the display is on or not, actually. If you know where the sensor is located, usually you can just simply tap in order to unlock the phone. I'm gonna also check always on display, but I assume that it will be just as fast since the screen off time is pretty much the same. Yeah, you can see that it unlocks immediately. I'm gonna actually turn off AOD again. I'm gonna check the screen off one more time. Yep, okay, so first I tapped in a slightly incorrect position, but it unlocked pretty rapidly. I'm gonna wait one more time just to see. Okay, so it seems that maybe, just maybe, we have to actually hold our finger just for a tiny bit second longer to make it actually work. But as you can see, there are really no issues with detecting the finger, and it doesn't really matter which angle I use, actually. It works just fine. I'm gonna actually also try to place it upside down to see if it's gonna work. It does work, so even though I didn't really scan from this side, it still works. It still recognizes the fingerprint, so that's pretty good. So yeah, I think honestly this fingerprint sensor is one of the fastest that we have on the market right now, mostly due to the fact that it is ultrasonic, of course, but no wonder that it is that fast. And I don't think I've experienced any issue so far, at least, with the sensor. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.